Powerful requests made me to reach to the clients on a global platform like Australian, Singapore, Canada, and London.
I had multiple challenges when I started my business: scaling, creating a market for my niche products, and also offering services to the global community. I found after joining the Iron Lady program that defining it in a clear way, making the plan, and putting things in place before starting out really helped me to reach most of my goals.
I joined Iron Lady 2 years before. Before that, my practice and services were limited only to the geographical limits of my district. But after Iron Lady joining, I have seen a great transformation in me within 2 years only. I have reached to a global platform using Iron Lady's principle such as shameless pitch and a powerful request. Powerful requests made me to reach to the clients on a global platform like Australian, Singapore, Canada, and London.
We are the leading leadership platform for women in India.
Thousands of accomplished women go through our programs every month.
Join our masterclass today.